A good day at school. Okay. Bye. What the do I do now? Meh, guess I should just go in. First day of school. How bad could this possibly be? Going into 5th grade. In class. Boring, as a class should be. Tomorrow is bring your parents to school day. Oh, hell yeah. After class. Sorry, I'm lazy. Meow. Tomorrow is bring your parent to school day. What? The next day. Why am I doing this? It's for the child. Another boring day, another boring class. My moms are here, yes. Also, my real parents aren't here because they died, right? Right.